Well, Doug, that news conference lasted less than 10 minutes, and Governor Little said because COVID-19 cases here in Idaho are much lower than they were before, and because we're trending downward, he's decided to move Idaho to stage 3. So what does that mean? Well, it's been a while since Idaho was in stage 3, so here's a refresher. Gatherings can now increase from 10 people to 50 people, and this does not apply to political and religious expression, educational activities, and healthcare events or youth sporting events, as long as organizers comply with spectator plans administered by the Idaho State Board of Education. Bars, restaurants, and nightclubs should continue to operate with seating only, and people should still be wearing masks and following physical distancing. Large events like trade shows, weddings, and sporting events with more than 50 people may receive an exemption if the organizer confirms with the local public health district that they'll follow necessary protocols.
In November, our daily hospital admissions were approaching alarming levels, and hospitals across the state were experiencing severe constraints. Today, Idaho hospitals are still stressed for resources, but the majority are operating much more normally, thanks to the decline in COVID spread, again, thanks to you.
In late December, we were 23rd in the nation as far as our rate of cases, and we have dropped down to 40th.
A big reason behind the decision was the metrics. So let's compare. On December 12th, the 14-day moving average hit its peak of nearly 1,500 new cases per day. On February 1st, the 14-day average had fallen to 514 cases per day, and according to the state, December 1st saw the highest number of people hospitalized at 496. Compare that to January 12th, 211 were in the hospital being treated for COVID. And despite the downward trend, both the governor and Dr. Christine Hahn say we must stay vigilant. They say it's only a matter of time until we discover that new, more contagious strain here in Idaho, and vaccination efforts are still only in the beginning stages. Doug?
Yeah, lots of good information there comparing where we were in early December to now. Shira, thank you for bringing that. We'll have more on this coming up today on our later newscast.